here. In this list leverage video, I'm going to show you what happens with the setup for get traffic, just to re-emphasize how well it works. I've been doing some other bits and pieces today, work on my blog and on my YouTube videos and stuff, and I've had a further 2 leads come in today, and those 2 leads will actually be added onto my autoresponder. So if we check there, you can see 2 subscribers today, and my list has increased by 2 more. So what I can do now is I'm going to send out another message to my list, and within that will be the link for this leverage. And for the people that don't want to join this leverage, I can't think why they wouldn't want to join this leverage, bearing in mind how well it works and how quickly it builds your list up. The click cache will kick into play, and as you've already seen in the previous video, so that's what happens with your set and direct traffic. I work on my blog, I share my blog out to people, and my list is building really fast, faster than it's ever built, I think, in all my time online. So if you're wanting to start your own list leverage marketing system, and you want this to help you to build your list quicker and faster without reliance on SEO and keyword research, then have a look at the link beneath this video and have a look, see what it can do for your business. It works for absolutely any business, online or off. Don't forget to leave a comment below, hit the like button, and then hit the bell button as well, so you get notified of every video that gets uploaded to my channel for marketing. Thanks very much for watching.